friends, welcome to Navani Spice Magic. Today I am going to prepare two contrast flavored masala idli fry varieties. When we have leftover idlis or otherwise bored of eating normal idlis, or some guests suddenly arrive and you want to make something special and unique, these snacks are the perfect ones. You can try these two varieties of idli snacks with simple leftover idlis. First variety is gunpowder masala idli. And the second one is pav bhaji flavor masala idli. Both taste super. Let's check the process. Let's see the first dish preparation, that is gunpowder idli. For that we need gunpowder, and gunpowder preparation I have shown in my spot idli recipe. You can check for that. I'll be providing the link in the description. You can check. Onions, salt, cumin seeds, curry leaves, garlic chopped. I have taken one green chili and a few dried red chilies because gunpowder already has got chili in that, so check for that and then use it. Mustard seeds, urad dal, idlis. So first I am cutting these idlis. It's up to you how much, which size you want. You can cut them to the desired size. We'll heat a kadai, and then I am doing it today with ghee. If you want, you can do it with oil. It's up to you. Now let's add the seasonings. Urad dal, mustard seeds, cumin seeds. Let the urad dal fry a little bit. Now we'll add one green chili and few red chilies, garlic, and fry until the garlic fries a little bit. We'll add curry leaves. Now we'll add the onions. Let's saute these onions, and these should not fry completely. Now we'll add a little bit of salt, and the crunch has to remain in these onions. Then only it tastes great. Otherwise it becomes too soggy. So don't fry it completely. Keep it on high and just fry it till that rawness goes. That's it. Now we'll add the gunpowder. Mix it. Now we'll add idli. Mix it properly. Finally, we'll add a little bit of coriander and remove it into a dish. So our second variety is pav bhaji flavor masala idli. So the ingredients required for this are tomatoes very finely chopped, coriander chopped, onions very finely chopped, capsicum very finely chopped, ginger garlic paste, chili powder, I have taken Kashmiri chili powder, salt to taste, pav bhaji masala, idlis. So we need to just cut these. So let's heat a pan. Add little butter. First we need to fry these idlis. Now we'll fry these idlis. First we need to fry them to golden brown. Flip them and fry the other side as well till they become golden brown and little crispy. So now these are done, we'll remove them. So now let's heat the pan, add little butter to this. This tastes good with butter. If you don't like butter, you can add oil and make it. First, let's add onions. Saute this for a few seconds. Let's add ginger garlic paste and fry until the rawness goes. Now let's add capsicum. Cook until the capsicum is soft. Now we'll add tomatoes. We'll cook until the tomatoes become mushy and soft. Now let's add chili powder, salt, pav bhaji masala, little coriander. Mix it and allow the flavors to get incorporated. Add a little water to make it into a thick, saucy consistency. Now let's add these fried idlis and mix well, so that the masala gets coated to all the pieces. Let's top it up with a little bit of coriander and dish it out. So our flavorful and tasty varieties with idli, gunpowder masala idli and pav bhaji flavor masala idli are ready. They both are contrast in flavors and give a unique taste to our simple idlis. You will just relish the taste. I hope you like my video, and if you do so, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.